You might be in a position where you want to go ahead and actually share your location on iPhone. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, first open up your Messenger app and you can share your location currently to iMessages. So basically you just open up any conversation or create new conversation with some your friends or with who you want to share. So basically you just open up any conversation, and when you on your any conversation you just tap on name here and you'll be able to see two options: send my current location or share my location. So basically if you tap on share my current location, you can share your current location and you should select allow once or allow while using app. Or so basically I tap on allow once and you share once your current location. Alright, so if you tap on share my location, that means you all time share your location. You can select share indefinitely, share until end of day, or share for 1 hour. So basically choose one of these. For example, I tap on share for 1 hour and tap on OK and then tap on done, and you will sharing your location for 1 hour or which one you select. So, and second way how you can share your location, just find your app Find Me and open up it. Then you just enable it. As you can see, turn on send last location. So I just basically turn on and tap on people at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then select start sharing location and you should write your contact name, for example, and then tap on send at the top right corner of the screen and select duration: share for 1 hour, share until end of day, and share indefinitely. So basically choose one of these and your app start sharing your location to this person. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.